Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Thanks for stopping by Success with Buddy. I'm coming to you. It is like, God, what is it? The 22nd, almost the 23rd of August, 2023. And I've been quietly making money from home for over a dozen years now. And you guys may or may not know me personally, but I've been making money from home for over a dozen years now. And I've been involved with affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLMs. And the reason that I got involved with this is a number of years back, my oldest daughter came down with rheumatic fever, and she was 10 years old, and she had to get her two heart valves replaced. And I started doing research on how to make money from home, and I got introduced to affiliate marketing a number of years back. And the program that I was involved with was a program that paid out 200% commissions, advanced commissions. So I immediately fell in love with the concept of being able to make money from home without having to trade your time for money, and without having to clock in, out of a job, or maybe even not having to find another job. And you can do this on your own schedule. You can make your own time. You don't have to pay for childcare. There's a lot of tax write-offs when you're attempting to profit from a work from home opportunity. So with that being said, I want to introduce you to this system that I've been a part of for 9 years now. This system was created by Mr. Ryan Gunness. It's called MLM Recruit on Demand. It's a leads system, marketing, recruiting system. It teaches marketers how to recruit, and it also gives you leads, targeted leads, and a contact manager with a number of tools that teaches you how to grow a business. So this is the back office. This is what you look at when you log in to MLM Recruit on Demand, and you can add your own opportunity in here. What I mean by that is, you see this link right here. You can add your own opportunity in here. If you're promoting a primary opportunity, you can add it in here, and I'll show you guys why that's so powerful in a few minutes. But right now, you can change this anytime you want. And I have this for the Live Good. It's a Live Good funnel. Live Good is a health and wellness program. This is a funnel that's made through Lead Sleep. Lead Sleep is kind of another marketing system, tool system, traffic system. So this is a Lead Sleep funnel for Live Good, and I added that link in here. And I fluctuate my programs in the system. So the reason that I'm coming to you guys today is MLM Recruit on Demand. Ryan Gunness, the founder, he has added a new part to the system, and it's called the Automated Biz Builder system. And I'm going to click right here. Okay, so this is the Automated Biz Builder system, and you can watch this video for the training. And the cool thing I like about this is the concept of MLM Recruit on Demand, it hasn't changed. The system still provides you with unlimited leads. You're going to get 100 leads when you join. You are going to get all these tools, scripts, capture pages, and different parts to grow your business. All that is still the same with MLM Recruit on Demand. But Ryan Gunness has basically changed this so that people that join, they can use MLM Recruit on Demand as their primary income opportunity. You can have your own done-for-you digital business, and you can watch this video that teaches you how to do this. There's a Zoom call in here. So says it's important to read. Okay, so to legally qualify for the tax benefits of a home-based business, you need to show proof you are doing business activities. Entering contacts below can help you meet the requirement. The form below is only for entering people that you know well, like friends, family, close contacts, etc. The reason for this is because we are letting them know that you referred them to us. The system is tracking how many people say yes. If your yes ratio is below 30%, the system will block you from adding more contacts in the future. This means for every 3 people, 1 person must say yes. For for people that you don't know, well, if you prefer to reach out to them directly, use the 1 and 2 in the blue box here. And I'm going to click that here. That's basically what I showed you earlier. These are copy and paste chat scripts. If it says, hey, I'm not sure if this would be interest to you, or you're looking for, hey, not sure if this is what interests you. We are looking for people that may be open to a new, interesting money making strategy. I have a quick video that explains how it works that you can forward to other people as well. Would you like me to send it over? And then there's the link right here. Okay, so this is for people that you know. Okay, so this is going to allow you to add 3 people, and it's only going to allow you to add 3 people every 10 hours. And I'm really liking this system because if you guys had followed me, you know that over the last few years I've been a part of different SMS systems, text message systems, phone numbers and stuff like that I use to promote my online opportunities. And that really helped me and was beneficial for me for my postcard opportunity. So what you can do is you can add 3 people per day. You can enter their first name and last name and their phone number. And what it says here, after submitting 3 people, if yes ratio is below 30%, you're not able to add any more contacts. Okay, so it says being submitted by Buddy Boome. Okay, so what's going to happen is the system's going to send out text messages to the leads that you put in here. And this is the script it's going to say, this is Kathy. Buddy Boome gave me your number. We're looking for people that may be open to a new, interesting money-making strategy. It takes about 30 seconds to read. Would you like me to send it over to you? Perhaps you could forward it to other people as well. Because, okay, so it's going to send over a text message, and if they say yes, then it's going to send over information on your behalf for you. Okay, so right down here it says enter contacts whenever is most convenient to you. We only send text messages to them between 1 p.m. and 8 p.m. This way we are not messaging your people before 9 a.m. no matter where they live in the USA or Canada. We handle all inviting, reminding notifications, presenting follow-up, and any questions they have. We notify you and add notes to the record in your contact manager to keep you in the loop along the way. We will sign them up using your MLM rod link. All you do is collect the payment and they will pay you directly. Then you mark them as paid. After that, you keep pointing them to any of your other income streams. That's why I was talking about you can add your own income stream in there, your link. This system's going to continue to follow up with them via text message and follow up via email. And that's what makes this powerful, guys. You're going to be able to send them the MLM Recruit on Demand system. And this is just a one-time $15 for the MLM Recruit on Demand system. It's a one-time $15. And there's an upgrade version of this. Before I get into the P1, that's the $15 when you get the system. You're going to be able to resell that as an affiliate and get your $15 back over and over and over. And if they want to make more money with the system, they can upgrade to P2. The P2 membership is a $100 one time. You have to be a P1 member, a basic member first, and then you're going to be able to make $15 commissions and $100 commissions. And this is the link that you're going to be able to sign up with this system for. It looks different than the other links because this is going to be sharing with you the income opportunity of MLM Recruit on Demand. It's a funnel. It's going to continue to send out emails on your behalf, day in and day out, 24/7. And it's going to invite them to check out the system. And once they join the system, they'll be able to find out what your primary income opportunity is. So you can add any primary income opportunity, or maybe you can just even if you just want to use this system as your primary income opportunity. It's just a one-time $15, and you can add your own pay link. I actually use Stripe and Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin, and other pay merchants, PayPal, to sign up for MLM Recruit on Demand. So I have multiple pay links. The most popular one is Venmo and Cash App. So once they sign up for this, they sign up via Cash App. That's all you got to do is you have to confirm that they paid, mark them as a paid member, and then they're going to be able to do the same thing. And you're going to be able to keep track of your team, their teams, and your team in the back end of this, in the contact manager. Let's go back here. So they're going to be able to keep track of your team. Okay, so this is the affiliate program. One-time $15 to join P1. P2 is a one-time $125. $100 goes to the person that you join, then $25 goes to the admin. That's the owner of the program. So this is really powerful, and you see this yellow box right here. When your members join you in MLM Recruit on Demand, it's going to say you have been referred by Buddy Boome. Click here to see other income streams they recommend. That's where you're going to be able to see what income opportunities that I'm promoting. And then if you're just a P1 member, it's going to say you are a P1 member. Click here to learn more about P2. Or if you're a P2 member, it says click more to learn more about P3. Ryan Gunness has his YouTube channel right here. And this is really, really powerful, guys. This is a new addition. This is the new automated biz builder for MLM Recruit on Demand. So you can use MLM Recruit on Demand as your primary income opportunity. It's the automated biz builder system. It's MLM Recruit on Demand is still $15 one time. There's no monthly fees. You can upgrade to P2. You can earn $15 commissions and $100 commissions. Plus, you can promote your primary income opportunity, and that's where you're at it right here. I'm fluctuating my links between Live Good and Best Easy Work, and then another one that I'm a part of. So there's a couple days that I changed the link on there, and I can. The cool thing about this also is when your members click that yellow link, or that yellow box, the system's going to send you an email saying, hey, John Doe has clicked on your link. Now's a good time to reach out to them, see if they have any questions. And then you can ask them questions. Hey, I've seen that you were checking out my opportunity. Let me know if you have any questions. Did anything stick out to you? And you're going to be able to learn how to follow up here. Go to your MLM Rod ABC app. This is where you're going to learn how to follow up with your leads. You're going to be able to find leads. You're going to learn how to do the daily action steps. You can go up here and click the link. It goes to Facebook, and it goes on Facebook birthdays. That's a way to reach out to people, wish them happy birthday. And that's a way to build a relationship with your members. They got the 5-day blitz. That's going to teach you how to send a burst of energy. Maybe you're launching your business. This is going to give you ideas and copy and paste text messages, text that you can send to your leads. Hey, hope all is well on your side. Need a little help on a project that I'm working on, and I know how well connected you are. Could I send you a link to a short video that could watch and forward to keep people that come to mind from it? I didn't read that right, sorry. But you guys got the point. There's different copy and paste messages here. It's a 5-day blitz that gives you idea of who to send it to. Friends, neighbors, relatives, church members, eating out friends, movie friends, sports friends. And then this is lukewarm list. It's your mechanic, your banker. It says all the dry cleaner, insurance agent. Lukewarm lists, butcher, friends, chiropractor, leasing agent, pastor. So it gives you ideas on who to send these messages to. So this is the new automated biz builder system it's added onto MLM Recruit on Demand. Oh, here's the follow-up process. I'll move my video right there, or my picture, or my camera. Okay, so follow up. This is going to teach you how to follow up right here. So once they've taken a look at your video, you can come over here on the follow-up tab. Did anything stand out to you from the video? You can send them that. Or what did you like best? This is going to teach you how to follow up, guys. And then if they said, well, I liked the compensation plan, I liked how it pays, then you can send them this on a scale 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. Where do you see yourself? And they're going to answer that. And this is going to teach you how to follow up. It's going to teach you how to grow your business. And the cool thing about this is with the new addition that's on here with the automated biz builder system, guys. Get out of here. The automated biz builder system. This is going to do like 80-90% of the work for you, because they added the text message follow-up inside there. So that's all you're going to have to do is you're going to use the leads that you've reached out to recently, the ones that you've talked to, and add them in here. You can add 3 per day, every 10 hours. Actually, not per day, but every 10 hours. And then the system's going to send out a text message on your behalf. And then if they want to take a look at it, it's going to send your link to the MLM Recruit on Demand system. So very, very powerful, guys. Unlimited $15 commissions and $100 commissions over and over. Plus, it's going to promote your opportunity that you're promoting. This is the new addition to MLM Recruit on Demand, the automated biz builder. It's done for you. It does like 85% of the work for you. So pretty cool. You guys want to make unlimited $15 commissions and even $100 commissions? Click the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can call me, you can text message me, etc. Hit me up on Facebook. So at that, guys, I thank you guys for watching. Let's do this. It's definitely exciting for me because I've been a part of this system for 9 years, and this is actually resonating with me. I'm already adding some leads in there and see how the system works on my behalf. So at that, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.